Hello, guys. Welcome back. This is week 20. Last week, we talked all about sleep and why sleep is very, very important. Now, the reason we're talking about sleep last week is because this week we're moving on to something that sleep does for our bodies, and that makes our bodies much stronger. We're going to talk about our immune system. Our immune system, what is it? Guess what? Everybody has it. Mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever you know has an immune system. Now, the big part of the immune system is it fights to make you healthier. In times like these, when there's things around the world that are just going crazy and you guys are missing school half the time, our immune system needs to be nice and strong. So one way that we talked about last week to make yourself nice and strong and healthy is to sleep. It's fantastic. What else? Immune system. Let's talk about it. So to the immune system, to be immune, that means to be protected. So are you protected? So it makes sense that the body system that helps fight off sickness is called the immune system. The immune system is made up of networks of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to protect the body. Now, we have red blood cells and white blood cells. Red blood cells help pump blood, red blood cells. There you go. Now, white blood cells, also called leukocytes, keyword there, are part of the defense system. There are two basic types of these germ-fighting cells. There's the first one's called the phagocytes, which chew up invading germs, and then there's the lymphocytes, which allow the body to remember and recognize previous invaders. Now, the lymphocytes are pretty interesting because right now in the world, there's so many people that are having and talking about COVID, the coronavirus. Now, what the lymphocytes do, which allow the body to remember and recognize previous invaders. So you hear about people that are getting the shots. It's almost my time. It's almost time. I got my shot. Now, when they get those shots in the arm after their second dose, it helps them become immune to the coronavirus. So let's say they're around someone or that body starts to feel like they're getting sick and maybe those effects of the coronavirus have taken place. The body's saying, no, we know this because we remember what it is. So that shot that they got helps the body remember, hey, this is not good. Let's fight it out. Next thing you know, you're feeling better. What else do you use this with? The flu shot, the standard flu shot you get every year. The idea of the flu shot is to inject your body with just a little of that flu disease. That way your body recognizes it, starts to fight it. So leukocytes, keyword there, are found in places including lots of places, including your spleen, an organ in your belly the spleen, which is an organ in your belly that filters blood and helps fight infection. So your spleen is kind of like the coach of your body, helps fight. It's like the immune system's fighting everything. The spleen's coming back and saying, hey, I'm going to help you with everything else. Leukocytes can be found in the bone marrow, which is the thick, spongy jelly inside your bones. So if you look at your bone, if you ever see a bone, on the inside of it, you're just like, oh, that's just a big old bone. On the inside of the bone, that's called the bone marrow. So you have a great system in place. Is it enough to keep you from getting sick? Well, everyone gets sick sometimes. Everybody. Mr. Briggs, all you guys, your teachers, everybody. But your immune system helps you get well again. And if you had your shots, like your vaccines, your body is extra prepared to fight off serious illnesses that your immune system alone might not be able to handle. If you get the shot that covers measles, for instance, it can protect against getting measles if you've never been exposed. So if you get the shot, hopefully all your teachers get these shots soon, that the coronavirus vaccine that goes into your arm, boop, inside of that is a protein, an mRNA protein. I don't even know about that too much, but it helps directly help the body recognize that, hey, next time this virus might enter in, we fight it off. Healthy kids, like most of you, can help their immune system by washing your hands to prevent infections, eating healthy foods, which we've talked about, getting plenty of exercise, that's why you're here, getting enough sleep, which we talked about last week, and getting regular medical checkups. Even if you feel absolutely perfect, you should try to get a checkup every year, just so the doctors can make sure everything's feeling good. Make sure your arms are good, your head's good, your body's good. The doctors know what they're looking for. So let's do that. Now, if you're feeling great today, right now, you can thank your immune system. So what else do we got for you? We're going to talk about some immune system facts, some simple ones. Your body's exposed to millions of germs every day, and immune system is the reason why you fight it off. When germs do make you sick, your immune system works to fight off the infection. There you go. Your body then remembers how to fight the infection if the same germ attacks you. So we got a lot going on with that. I'm glad you guys are here this week. Enjoy it. So happy to see you guys back. This is week 20. Hopefully Mr. Briggs is back soon, but if not, I see you guys on Fridays. You guys are awesome. Now I got 2 awesome videos, YouTube videos that are right below this that show you in fun detail, fun animation, more about the immune system, more than Mr. Briggs knows at all. Go do it. We got the exit slip. See you guys next week. Thank you, Jefferson Eagles.